The reason why I chose this Biennale is actually because I like the idea of all my stuff coming together, because, you know, I've been to Kerala before. When I started as a musician, the first record deal, you know, the first check I got, and the first bit of work that I did as MIA, you know, the musician, was to come here to shoot a video for Sun Showers. And so I feel like I've invested time here and made a connection here, and then, you know, and then India's always been like quite an important backdrop to all the work I've done since then. And so having the opportunity to come back here has been, you know, it's been a great opportunity. It's been nice to come back here because it's something that I'm trying to figure out, is how to move forward and be about the future, but at the same time respect something that's ancient and traditional and organic. And I don't want to use the word organic, but like Kerala, obviously, like is a jungle, and they've preserved this part of India, and it's like, you know, in its original sort of state. And the evolution in this town sort of seems like it's a organically grown evolution without the sort of injection of modern ideas or capitalism, or, you know, the need to evolve and build a big city and build, you know, make whatever, rape the environment, that sort of thing. So, you know, as an artist, it's really important for me to go forward and inspire future generations, or be inspired about the future, but at the same time learn to respect something like this. And that's why I'm, you know, in Kerala, because I think Kerala is a great symbol, because India always holds, you know, for me, it sort of holds those sort of extremes together. You know, it's a third world country, but it has the prospects of developing into like being a great economic success, but at the same time they have like this immense amount of ancient wisdom that you can always access, you know, and it's the clash that's really interesting. Organisers of the Biennale and me, you know, we both arrived at the same opinion at the same time, which is that this is an important thing to do for India at this time, you know. And I feel really excited about it, because in the West, I feel like the concept of art is it's everywhere, and everybody takes it so seriously. Not seriously, but there's space that's made for art, you know, that it's become a very important, it has a very important existence in modern society in the West. And it's a very clearly defined, cultivated space that is an organized space now. And India does not have any organized space. And the fact that to me is like the most important thing as well, because it's literally like, you know, it's like having the opportunity to create work in an organized space. It doesn't seem exciting as coming somewhere where it doesn't exist and nobody cares, and to sort of like, you know, start it from scratch, kind of. It just seems more, to me, it just seems more challenging, and I like the challenge, really, of creating something that doesn't exist properly, you know, sort of being part of the infrastructure building of art in India.